I'm Tempest Swenson, and I will be talking about passing data between activities. In order to do so, we will have to use intents. I started out by creating a button, and here in the main activity, I started out with the Find View by ID, locating the button from the layout, and setting the on-click listener. I will first have to start out by creating an explicit intent in order to start the second activity. You can also put something inside of the intent, such as text. Anything you put inside the intent has to be a key value pair or a mapping. So the first parameter here, name key, is the key, and my name is the value. Then we would go into the second activity. Well, from the main activity, we would also have to include this line that says start activity with the intent inside of it. Then we could go to the second activity and have an if statement that gets the intent and the extras and checks to make sure that it is not null. And if it's null, it just returns null. This first line of code here sets a string variable called name, gets the intent from the main activity and all the extras, which is the text we put in, and gets the name key. Then you can also display this message through a toast message. This the name of the variable and how long you want the duration of the message to last on the screen. You can also pass an entire Java class from one activity to another. So here I created the Java class. Inside the Java class, you create the variables you would like to pass from each activity and its constructors. You will also have to create a toString in order to retrieve the variables and display them once they are set. So now that we have done that, we will go back to the main activity, and this line here actually creates the user using the Java class. And then everything within the Java class is serializable. So when we go back to the main activity, we would have to use the put extra that embeds the serializables. And then just like anything else, we would have to have a key value pair. Inside the second activity, we will also create the user object. And once you are passing Java object, you have to get the serializables. Once you get the intent and the get extras, you have to get the serializable from the main activity and the key of the serializable. And you also, just like we used the toString that we created in the Java class, we could use that in order to display what we just passed inside of the toString and display it inside of a toast message. Well, thank you so much, and that's what we have for passing data between activities.